converts vehicle 12V power to 5V safely, powering USB devices, ensuring stable charging, protecting electronics from voltage fluctuations efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best 12V to 5V converters for vehicles that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Epine Hexa 5V5A converter. This DC-DC step-down converter efficiently converts 1040V DC, 12V/24V systems, to a stable 5V fixed output. With 5A current and 25W power capacity, it ensures reliable performance for low-power devices while achieving up to 96% efficiency, reducing energy loss and heat generation. Built-in overload, overcurrent, overtemperature, and short-circuit protections safeguard both the converter and connected devices for safe, stable operation. Its aluminum alloy shell combined with silicone sealing enhances durability, improves heat dissipation, and provides strong resistance to harsh environments. Making it ideal for long-term use in vehicles and industrial conditions, it is widely suitable for automotive systems, monitoring equipment, railway signaling, medical devices, LED lighting, cable TV systems, and other low-power electronic applications requiring stable 5V output. The compact and efficient design also makes installation simple in tight spaces. Overall, it is a dependable and efficient voltage regulator offering stable power conversion for a wide range of professional and everyday applications. Now our second product is YRDZXG DC-DC 12V/24V to 5V5A 25W buck converter. This Type-C DC to DC converter is a highly efficient and reliable solution for powering 5V devices from 12V/24V vehicle or battery systems. Supporting an input range of DC 10V, 32V, it delivers a stable 5V fixed output with up to 5A current and 25W maximum power, making it suitable for smartphones, GPS units, and other USB-C powered electronics. Its silicone-sealed construction with IP68 waterproof rating ensures excellent resistance against water, dust, moisture, and shock, making it ideal for outdoor, automotive, and harsh environment use. Advanced built-in protections, including reverse polarity, overload, overcurrent, low voltage, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, guarantee safe and stable operation at all times. The plug-and-play Type-C interface allows quick installation without technical complexity, offering seamless compatibility with various digital devices. With minimal energy loss and strong conversion efficiency, it ensures dependable power delivery during travel, fieldwork, or daily use. Overall, it is a compact, durable, and practical power adapter for versatile 5V charging needs. Our third product is WeWood Direct Current Converter. This 12V to 5V USB converter is a compact and efficient power solution designed for stable low-power device operation in vehicles and electronic systems. With a 12V DC input and regulated 5V output delivering up to 3A, 15W max, it ensures reliable performance for a wide range of automotive and portable electronics. Its high conversion efficiency of up to 96% minimizes energy loss and heat generation, making it both economical and durable for long-term use. The built-in intelligent microprocessor provides advanced protection features including overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, ensuring safe operation under varying conditions. This converter is widely applicable for car LED displays, GPS navigation systems, dash cameras, car radios, MP3/MP4 players, surveillance equipment, and advertising screens. However, device power must remain under 15W, and compatibility with certain smartphones may be limited. Overall, it is a dependable, efficient, and safety-focused voltage converter ideal for automotive and low-power electronic applications. Now number 4, Doria 12V to 5V DC converter. This 12V to 5V DC-DC converter is a compact and reliable power solution designed for stable low-voltage applications. Supporting an input range of DC 6.3V, 22V, including 12V and 9V systems, it delivers a regulated 5V output with up to 3A current and 15W maximum power, making it ideal for a wide variety of small electronic devices. Built with a durable aluminum case and silicone sealing, it offers excellent heat dissipation while ensuring waterproof, anti-shock, anti-humidity, and dust-proof performance. This rugged construction significantly enhances longevity and makes it suitable for automotive and outdoor environments. The converter includes intelligent protection features such as overcurrent, overtemperature, and short-circuit protection, ensuring safe and stable operation under different load conditions. It is widely compatible with car audio systems, GPS navigators, dash cams, LED strips, speakers, MP3/MP4 players, solar setups, cameras, and more. However, correct polarity connection is essential to avoid damage. Overall, it is a dependable, efficient, and versatile voltage converter for everyday and automotive use. And our last choice is Diane 12V to 5V 3A15W buck converter. This 12V to 5V DC buck converter is a compact and efficient power solution designed for stable voltage conversion in automotive and electronic applications. With a 12V DC input and regulated 5V output delivering up to 3A15W max, it ensures consistent performance for a wide range of low-power devices. Its advanced integrated switch regulator module achieves up to 96% conversion efficiency, reducing energy loss and heat generation while maintaining stable output. The built-in USB charging ports add convenience, making device connection easier and more versatile. Equipped with an intelligent microprocessor chip, the converter provides full protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring safe and reliable operation in all conditions. Constructed with high-quality heat-conducting silicone material, it is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, offering long service life even in harsh environments. It is widely used for car LED displays, GPS systems, dash cams, car audio, MP3 players, surveillance systems, and LED lighting applications, making it a highly practical and durable power conversion solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.